Could there really be persuasions of extraterrestrial beings visiting Earth? And if so, are they all part of a unified confederation? Ancient astronaut theorists say no. And some government insiders like Paul Hellyer claim
They're watching the birds. It's a flock of pigeons and ravens, that I believe, and some other kinds of birds too. There's starlings and the little domestic brown birds. But the pigeons, actually, they live like right on my roof. A lot of them were born here. That's why, one of the reasons why I had to do this is every time I went somewhere, for a few days, I come home, there'd be a nest of pigeons and eggs. I go to Florida and I come back and there'd be, a mother incubating some eggs, or they already had hatched. It was 4 different times. Every time I went somewhere, I came back and there was a nest. Every time on this deck. That's why they think this is their home. Anyway.